Hello all, Jamie here from Craftmania, and it is that time once again that we're going to do a little unboxing. Now today's box is brought to us by Crafts2, and I have a feeling that this is pretty much all just top-up delivery. I don't think there's anything new in this one, but stick with me. I never really know what's coming up or what's going on. I usually am the one who's ordered it, so I should know, but I don't know. So we'll have a little look and see, shall we? See what we find. So as always, all of the items we're about to have a little look at, by the time you're watching this video, they will be live and available to purchase on our website and in our store. Now you know me, I do like to talk about the packaging. It's a bit random, isn't it? We don't normally get these from Crafts2. I love a good squidgy pillar. Very excited. A little bit of brown paper and some styrofoam. Haven't found any newspaper yet. We normally get newspaper, don't we? Just make a nice big mess over the floor here as we dig down. But this is good because it shows how they care our orders get to us safe and sound. I think we're through the stuffing. We're through all of the protectiveness. Let's have a little look what's in here, shall we? So we have got even more of our albums. Now we shared these with you on our last video, and oh my goodness, did you go bonkers for them. So we have got even more of these now coming back in stock, so they're available for you again. Absolutely adore these. These are the ones that have got all of the pages in and set out for you, so that they're all nice and spaced, chipboard covers, chipboard pages, nice and strong, perfect for brag books, journaling, all of them kind of memory album activities. You could create a little storybook in them if you wish to. They're just beautiful. So they're here. What else do we have in the box? We have got some more craft artist pearls. These they only come in white and black, but we do both of them. Very popular product, and in these we are getting, does it tell us how many? An awful lot to save me counting, but as you can see they come in two different sizes, which is lovely. And I love the fact they come in black because that's not always easy to get hold of, but black is one of my go-tos personally when I'm using gems and pearls. Then we've got one of the 2J stamps. I have a feeling we'll find more of those in here in a moment, but one of the 2J stamps, beautiful floral corner. There is some syringes. Now these of course are the syringes to go with the craft artist glue. We unboxed quite a lot of that a couple of weeks ago. That's of course still available in stock. Doesn't have to be that glue that you use it with, but it's the perfect syringe for you to put those glues into. Easy lift magnets. Now these are the magnets that go in your stamp presses. These are always very, very popular. We've just had more stamp presses come back in stock, so we better get ourselves some more magnets to go with them. Now another one of those products that sells out time after time is the power tape. Now this is the power tape in 6mm and in 9mm, and they are both back in stock for you by Craft Artists. They're going to fall at some point, so I'm going to move them now before they fall. We'll try and be tidy and organised, shall we? You can see them wobbling, it's like a game of Jenga. Then we've got, I need bigger trolleys, don't I? This is the problem. Budget restraints mean I've only got one trolley, and I need at least two, I feel, for this game. Then we've got the tiny daubers. There are 20 tiny daubers in here, and these are the Crafts2 ones. So they're designed that you can go in and pick up your glues and apply them over the back of intricate pieces without getting blobs of glue everywhere. So really little handy tools for doing that with. While we're talking of tools and Crafts2, let's have a little look at their pokey tools. So the pokey tools are back in stock. These are the two, and these are really good ones. They are a pokey tool. They go to a really fine nozzle, but I personally use these for all sorts of things, especially if you've got bunged up glues and bottles and bits like that. They're really strong actual tools. Sometimes pokey tools can just be like a little pin, can't they? And actually that's great as a pokey tool, but it's not really a tool to get in there and sort things out. They're kind of a tool that I kind of sort things out with, if that makes sense. You know what I mean. Speaking of tools, moving swiftly on, we have got our stamp press tools. Now these are the ones that when you close down your press and you want to give it a good hard push, you're going to push down on this, and a lot of people with dexterity problems find these a lot easier to apply pressure with than actually just pushing down on their stamp presses, and you tend to get a more even pressure and hence a better stamp effect. So there is lots of these, because these again are very, very, very popular. So there's a few of those coming out of the box. Foam tape, Crafts2 foam tape, always an essential, so there's lots of that coming out of the box. Then we have got a few dies from John hidden away at the bottom here. What have we got? We have got the, I think it's dogwood, isn't it? Yes, stitched dogwood flower. Very, very beautiful. Now, John's flower dies all come on one panel. So there's one die in the set, or these do, the flower ones do. So there is one panel in there, one die, but it's going to cut all of them flowers for you in one go. Now, of course, the same with a lot of the items we're looking at here. These all have 10% off recommended retail on our website. So again, if it's something like this you're looking to, or these ones, the strawberry fields flowers, these ones are relatively new, you're going to be able to get hold of these with 10% off recommended retail price. You don't have to do anything, the discount is already taken off for you. Now, this is a folder that's just sold out again this week, and we know why. Easter is just around the corner, isn't it? Sue Wilson's brand new Easter collection come out this week, and I think a lot of you are looking for embossing folders and bits to go alongside that as well, as we get in the Easter mood. So these are, again, a great little 3D embossing folder that could work with those. If you haven't seen the unboxings yet, the Spellbinder videos, if you are in the Easter mood, especially if you're looking for embossing folders, do have a look at the Spellbinders unboxing, or pop in store, or of course look online. But there is a very lovely embossing folder by Spellbinders too, and actually some really nice Easter dies by Simon Hurley, if I remember rightly. You might wish to check those out. They of course would work very nicely with Sue Wilson's as well. This is something we love here at Craftmania, is giving you the ability to mix and match across brands. Did you see the hand there? The hand that come in to take away the box. We've upgraded cameraman to magic assistant. I like it. Thank you, Peter. Okay, what have we got next? We have got craft artist card. Now, this is something, I'm going to see if I can get this so we can actually show you the colours. Craft artist card this is just a small selection. We do loads and loads and loads of these. I think there's about 30 odd colours to give you a glimpse at what could possibly be available for you. But there is absolutely loads. And they come in packs of 10, the ones you're looking at currently. They're varying weights. I believe they start at about 200 and go up to 260 maybe, but it will tell you that on the website, or of course on the packaging if you come in store. But you get 10 sheets per pack. They've got 10% off, and it's got a lovely texture to it on one side. Very, very nice colour palette. Not only do we do that in the 10 packs, they've just bought these out. These are the coconut white 30 packs, and these are literally one of the newer items, but we have these 10% off them as well, and it works out cheaper, of course, to buy a pack of 30 than buying the coconut white in the packs of 10. So if you're a coconut white fan, this is a good place to get a textured version of it and at a good price. Speaking of good prices and value packs, let's have a little look at these. These are canvas cards, and this is your lilacs. So it isn't just one shade. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 running all the way through from a nice soft lilac right the way down to that beautiful purple. And you're receiving 10 sheets of each, if my memory serves me right. Yes, 10 sheets of each, 4 colours, all in one value pack. And this one's got a different texture to it. This one's more like a waffle. The last one was more like a linen. Very, very nice finish. And these again come in lots of different colourways. So that, of course, was the lilacs. This one is the deep blues. We're feeling, if we keep looking, there is also soft blues. But actually, this is just 3 of the shades. I think by memory we do about 12 different packs with all of the different colour tones that you could possibly wish running through them. And they are a really, really good value way to get a nice textured cardstock. That completes our unboxing from Crafts 2 today for you. Hopefully that's give you a little overview of what's come in. If you have any questions about the products, then please let us know in the comments. I'll do my very best to answer them for you. If you do wish to come and see us in store, then you're heading to Craftmania, 5 Hewett Road, Gapton Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. Or of course you can pop onto the website, which is www.craftmaniacrafts.com. Once you're on there, all of the items we've been looking at today, these are all back in stock items, so they will be under the back in stock section. You can also click brands if you prefer. Everything we've been talking about, I've told you the brands as we've gone. We've got some craft artists, we've got some crafts too. I think that's probably about and John, of course, but you can find all of those brands in alphabetical order under the brands page. Or if you prefer, you can head off to the main menu and you can look at stamp tools or glues or card, and you will find all of the different brands, all of the different products we carry under those sections, including of course the bits that we've had a look at here. On the website you'll find over 10,000 different items from lots of different brands, so there's certainly a lot more than what's on my little desk to talk about today. So do go and have a little rummage and a little look around if you would like to. Now, when you are shopping with us online, the number one important thing is postage, isn't it? How much is postage going to cost you? It's always the question we get asked. Well, we try to do our very best here at Craftmania to make that as reasonable as we can. So if you spend with us £15 here in the UK, you will receive free UK P&P. I know it's ridiculously low. We keep saying we need to put it up, but for your sake, we haven't as yet. So while it's still free over £15, jump on in and get your orders in. So free over £15 here in the UK. If you do wish to spend less than £15, it has a flat rate of £2.95. But why would you pay that when you can spend 15 and get it for free? If you would prefer to, you can of course upgrade to first class P&P, whether you're over the 15 or under the 15, and that is £3.95. It just means that we'll upgrade the postage for you so you receive your items even quicker. Then, of course, you might be watching this from around the world. I'm wondering what he keeps waffling about England, but what about me? Can I order? Of course you can. We would love to send our goodies to you wherever you may be. If you'd like to know more about how that works, pop onto the website, have a little look under the customer service tab. It will say postage and packing. Give it a little click. It'll tell you all about it. But in short, wherever you are in the world, it is capped at £10. That means you pay the first £10 of the postage and we pay everything that's after that. Being honest with you, the average international parcel costs around £24, meaning you pay the first 10, we'll pay the rest of it. If we actually find it cheaper than £10, let's say you just come in and order one roll of foam tape, why would you? But you might do, we have no judgment. If you do, and we can find that to get it to you cheaper than £10, we'll actually refund the difference to you. So the most you will pay is £10. But we all know P&P is extortionate, let alone when we go crossing them borders and moving through the countries. But that's why we cap it at £10, so we'll pay the extra for you and you don't have to worry about it. All of that is once again outlined on the website under that customer service tab. But if you have any questions, if I've waffled and made no sense, which is highly likely, pop your questions in the comments and I'll do my very best to answer them for you. Thank you very much for watching today. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon with our next unboxing. Bye for now.